Crackling open the untouched potential of a plain piece of paper, we're diving into the art of crafting a paper airplane. This simple yet satisfying activity opens a world of creativity and experimentation. First, grab a standard sheet of paper, cut it into a square, then fold it in half, aligning the edges. You now have a triangle. Next, fold the corners of the triangle down to meet the base, creating two smaller triangles. Fold these upwards, stacking them on top of one another, creating a new triangle. Repeat these steps, folding the corners of the new triangle down to meet the base. You'll have two slim shapes. Fold these upwards, stacking them on top of one another, creating yet another triangle. Voila! Your paper airplane is ready. Give the sides a slight twist to form the wings. Now launch it and marvel at how far and fast it flies. Customize your aircraft with different colors and designs to make it uniquely yours. Hope you enjoyed this fun-filled journey. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, cheerio!